Welcome to Katipunan Airport. Hi vlog! Get our luggage. Welcome to Katipunan Airport. Nag-book kami guys ng transfer. So, yeah, as usual, di naman kami nag-DIY. Yeah, mag-withdraw lang ako ng money. Pag meron kayong transfer guys, na binuksaklok dito yon. Paglabas ng airport, eto lang katapat. Ayan. Bigyan nyo lang yung valid ID yata para sa booking. Hi guys, we're here at hand.
Need ko lang po yung contact number, email address, ready for signing na po.
Okay. Meron lang kami 2,000 pesos per day na tawag dun? Security deposit. Yun, so nagbayad ng 10K using credit card. May refund naman yan guys after check. This is it. 424. Wow. Meron kaming dalawang bed. Isang queen, isang single bed. This side is the vanity. Uy, laki na sa lamin! Storage. And then, ang ganda. What can you say? Ito yung CR. Ooh, ayan. Meron nga bathtub. This is the, you know, this. And then, toilet. Ang ganda, guys. May balcony. Here's our balcony, guys. We have this view. This is garden view. And currently, merong pool renovation. But still, ang dami pa ring pool na pwedeng magamit. Like here and over there. It's very spacious for 2 people. Excited na ako sa umaga pag yung view ng ano.
Try tayo?
Yeah. Nice. Unboxing. What is it?
Magkano ang dami niya nagasgas?
No, that's plastic.
Okay.
This is my gift here for you.
Oh my God!
This is mine!
Ay, talaga!
Yeah, black yan. Buy one, take one.
So much!
Hi guys, good morning! Morning guys! This is our day 1, official day 1 in Boracay. Ang ganda ng view namin. Good morning guys! On our way to Brecky! This is our day 1 in Heaven! Yeah! Thank you! Morning! May fries? Ba't may fries? Oo, okay. Okay, done. Pasta. Lazit.
Daming option.
Daming option, guys. Here in Henan. So, parang ang ganap nito, brunch. Tapos late, mamaya, early dinner.
Tawag yung bagayan sa gabi, yung galing sa Mart.
Alin?
Seaweed.
Mamaya. Ganda ng weather, guys. Ganda sa Station 1. Yan, wala masyadong tao. Sobrang init, pero Thankful for the weather. For the good weather. Let's swim na, guys! After namin umaura-aura. Super low tide! Ang sarap! Asan ka? I miss them! Ang lalim! Ang lalim!
Hi everyone. Can you see me? Of course, you should. Sayang, you're not here, Jara.
Ready to go out. Ako pa lang. Sakay tayo ng e-trike for today's video. Because we're gonna eat in the mall. Bagay ba sa akin, guys, yung headband? Bagay ba sa akin? The mall po. Sana ganito lang, no? Hindi uulan. Pero maganda yung weather nung morning. Ito yung paa, guys. Ito yung pecho. Sarap. Hi guys! Boracay Day 2! Ngayon lang ako nag-vlog, pero kanina nag-breakfast lang kami. Currently, it's 12:49 PM and we are just heading out to Station 2. Magko-coffee lang kami, guys, and, you know, take pictures and vibe, something like that. Wala kaming itinerary, so this is probably not gonna be that helpful. Swerte kami sa weather, guys. Hindi kami inuulan. Pero kaninang umaga, umaambon. It's so init! We are waiting for an e-bike. Back in the mall. Sobrang init version. Sobrang init version. Init, guys.
Bumabagyo.
Yeah. Ay, ganda. Super. Hindi nakakasawa. Highly recommended. Naka-order na kami, guys. Maganda sana dito, pero mainit. Super. So, dito na lang kami. Ito yung view, guys. Ay, ganda. I got sea salt. Taste this sea salt. I like it. Hi, doggy. May lemon. Kasi nasaan ka? Lemon tayo. Apo na, guys. We're gonna tambay and swim. Marunong ka? Ay, hindi.
Marunong ako manood.
Dami doggy, oh.
Wait, dito ba tayo? Video.
Sige. Ganda. Ganda talaga ng sunset in Boracay, guys. Look. It's currently sunset. 5:32. Here's sunset in Boracay. The reason why I go back every time. Kasi ganda talaga ng sunset dito. Like, see how good this looks. Especially in person.
Super low tide! Wala ka ng alon!
guys, tinanghali na naman ang mga abab na ito. But that's okay. No pressure. Today is a Monday, guys. Actually, work day. Pero walang kuryente sa island. Pero meron naman mga generator. Super init! Sakay po. Dimol na naman po. Fantastic. No, may parang kakanin. Galing.
Is it good? Ang sarap, no?
May kakanin
Gusto
ka.
mo ulitin? Hindi pa nga ubos eh. OA.
Sa ngalan ng free mango shake, mag-review tayo.
Google review.
Oh. So guys, I got buttered garlic shrimp. Set na siya guys. Meron siyang soup and iced tea. We got the free mango shake. Jiva is sweet chili and iced tea. Guys, binigyan kaming free chocolate ng management. Ayan. It says welcome home. Pero pang third day na namin. Yeah, they just gave it to us. So cute. Hi guys! Back at the beach. We are back at the beach. Sobrang ganda talaga ng dagat in Boracay. It never fails. Dito lang kami. Dito yung station 1. Dito lang kami. And, hi vlog! It's our day 3 in Boracay.